Language is not limited to Arabic alone, as in the knowledge of how to learn a language is not limited to Arabic alone, but rather it is a universal concept that applies to all languages. And this is something that, obviously when we come to many of our students at Anders Institute, for example, learning the Arabic language is the second language that they are learning. They know two languages now, or they know one language, which is their mother tongue, and the second language, which is learning the Arabic language. So they think that all of these rules and all of these ways and all of this, when it comes to the concepts of how to learn a language, they think is only for the Arabic language. But Ibn Sina here, he clearly says language, as in, linguistics, how to learn a language, is not limited to Arabic alone. Then he says, the first is the memorization of words and expressions that signify meaning in every language, such as tall, short, worker, scholar, ignorant. So this is the first step. Knowing these words, knowing what each of these words mean, what context you can put them in, etc. Then the second is knowledge of the laws that govern these words. These laws, qawaneen, are universal principles that encompass many expressions which within each rule. They enable a comprehensive understanding of how language is structured for the purpose of knowledge and expression. Tamam. So the second part is these rules. And of course, this might sound like a lot of theory right now. First is hifdhul alfaz, memorizing terms, memorizing nouns, memorizing vocabulary. You collect vocabulary, you build your word bank. Then part two is al-qawaneen, the rules that govern those words. But what do most people do? They walk into Arabic and they start with the actual qawaneen, the actual principles, the actual rules, as if that is the whole language. So they spend months on grammar terms and they still can speak. And I've seen people who have graduated from known marakis, known centers in Egypt that are known for being grammar heavy. And at the end of it, they still cannot speak or maintain a regular conversation. They can do a lot of breaking sentences in a paper, but they cannot speak. So what happens is that their heart breaks because it feels like nothing is moving, and that's when they quit. The correct path is build vocabulary and use it first. Then let grammar come in as a tool that organizes and sharpens what you already have. Wassalamu alaikum wa rahmatullahi wa barakatuh.